Good day, my followers, my friends, family. Welcome to my channel again. Today, I want to talk about intimidation. Don't be intimidated by the media or anyone else per se. Once you allow any intimidation, you let your guard down, and that will affect you, and it will become your reality. For example, people stating your memory is untrained, or you can't do this, or you can't do that. One of the most popular strategies is underestimating people or making them feel guilty or letting them compare themselves with things or other people, then coming with a program or a solution which they thought of or created and telling you that this is the right way. How do they know what is right for you? Only you know. Only you do know what is right for you. You can be and do anything or achieve anything you decide, whether to remember or to improve your life or lose weight or pick up weight, right? Just know that the power is with you. Everything is a choice, your choice, free will. Free will, which is regularly being hijacked by those with selfish agendas. Be free and don't allow any intimidation or guilt consciousness to affect your free will. Anyone who seeks to control or mislead anyone else are not from the light, but from the dark and works in the shadows. So please, follow your own heart, make your own choices, don't be intimidated. The media is full of intimidation. One of the oldest tricks is guilt, making you feel like you are not like that and not like anyone else. People always show. It's like everything outside looks beautiful, but inside there's nothing. And then they want you to compare yourself with it. That is the oldest trick. Starting with guilt and then compare. Then you lose your own self, in your own integrity goes down, your guard goes down. Don't allow that. Believe in yourself. Believe in God, your creator, and know that the choice is yours. This is a universe of free will. No one can control nobody. Only you can decide what you want to be and how you are and what you should be. Your choice can take you out of a situation faster than you can imagine. Whether you are scratching in the dumps for food or sitting next to the most royalty or the most successful people in the world, it's a choice. Your choice determines where you are, who you are, what you look like, and what you experience. So don't be intimidated by the media, advertisements, people with their smart ideas. No, none of that. None of that matters. What matters is what you think and what you know works for you and what's important for you. Thank you. I love you all. Take care. Till next time.